Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one Apex trigger scenario in Salesforce. The trigger scenario is before delete account, we will check related opportunity stage. If opportunity stage has closed on, then do not allow delete account record and we will display error message in Salesforce. So follow these steps to create new Apex Trigger file in Salesforce. First, log in your Salesforce developer org. Then open developer console and create an Apex Trigger file on account object. Here we are checking the related opportunity of account. If opportunity stage is closed on, then do not allow delete account record in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of account detail page in Salesforce. This is the object name. Click on the down arrow button. You will be get delete button. So in this scenario, before delete the account record, we will be check related opportunity. So here there is a tab related. Click on the related tab. So this is a screenshot of account related tab in Salesforce. Here we will be get related list of opportunity. So as per the scenario, if any of the related opportunity stage has closed on, in this case, we do not allow to delete the account record. So before delete the account record, we will be check list of related opportunity. If any of the related list of opportunity stage has closed on, then we do not allow to delete the account record. So this scenario we will be achieved from the Apex class trigger in Salesforce. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo example in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First, go to the setup and open developer console so that we can write a page class trigger file in Salesforce. I already opened my developer console. In the developer console, I created an account trigger on account object. This is a before insert action event of trigger. So this is a by default. So if you creating a trigger, the action event of before insert is automatically created. So inside the trigger, I will be write a business logic. So before write a business logic of trigger, let me explain the scenario. Go to the tab of the account. This is the account object because this trigger I am writing on the account object. So as per the scenario, before delete the account record, we will be check list of related list of opportunity. If any of the related list of opportunity stage is closed on, then we do not allow to delete the record of account. So now let me open one record of account. Let me open first record. Take W3 Wave 7. There is a down arrow button. Click here and you will be get delete. So delete button. Whenever click on the delete button, this record will delete it from system. So in this scenario, before delete the record of account, we will be check related list of opportunity. So here there is a related button. Click on the related button and you will be get the related list of opportunity. So in this account, there are two related list of opportunity associated. You can see in the first opportunity of a stage, there is a qualification and second record opportunity, there is a closed on. So that means if any of the related list of opportunity stage has closed on, in this case, we do not allow to delete the account of record. So before delete the account of record, we will be check the related list of opportunity of record. If any of the related list of opportunity stage is closed on, then we do not allow to delete the account. So now let me go back on the developer console and write the business logic. So this trigger will be executed on before delete and after delete. So first we will be add a action event of trigger before delete and after delete. Before delete, comma after delete. Inside the trigger, I will pass two action event before and after. If trigger is before, else if Trigger is after. Trigger is after. So this trigger will be execute before trigger because before delete the record of account, we will be check a condition. So here I will be write a business logic inside the before action trigger. So friends, this trigger will be execute before delete the account. So here I will be add a context variable and trigger is delete. Inside the context variable, I will be writing business logic. So here I am writing a map ID list of opportunity OPP list map equal to new. So here I am writing a list of map and ID type map. Then I creating a set of ID equal to new. So here I created the instance of set of ID. Then I will apply for loop account ACC colon trigger dot old because here I am returning list of old session of record ID of account. So here I am putting the account ID into the set of ID dot add acc dot id. After for loop, I will write a nested SQL query on the account list of account acc obj list equal to square bracket select id name from account where id in colon here I'm passing the set of id and after name pass comma bracket inside the bracket I will write a SQL query for the nested opportunity select id name stage name account id from opportunities. This is a child name of the opportunity. So here I am writing nested SQL query on account. Here I am retrieving list of the account with related opportunity based on the account ID. So here account ID pass old session of record ID of account. So after that I am applying another one for loop. Here I am passing account AC colon account object list. Inside the for loop, I will be assign the value into the map. So here I created opportunity list map that is the ID now list of opportunity. So here I will be put the value into the map opportunity list map dot put AC dot ID comma here I am passing related list of opportunity AC dot dot this is a opportunity child related list of opportunity copy and pass here. So here I am passing the value into the map account ID and related list of opportunity. After for loop, I am creating set of a string set str equal to new And after set of a string, I am writing SQL query on the opportunity. So here we will be retrieve list of the related list of opportunity that is associated to the account. List opportunity OPP OBJ list equal to square bracket select ID name stage name account ID from opportunity where account ID in column. Here I will be get ID from map. So in the map, I am passing the value account ID and list of opportunity. So here I will be get the ID from map OPP list map dot key set. So account ID it is a lookup field between opportunity and account. So here I am retrieving list of opportunity based on the account ID. After that, I will apply another one for loop for opportunity OP colon opportunity object list. Here I will store stage name. So here I created set of string. I will store stage name into the string. So set of string dot add bracket. Here will be pass op dot stage name. So inside the set of string, I am passing stage name of opportunity. After for loop, I will apply another one for loop for the account. For account ACC1 colon. Here will be passed trigger dot old. Trigger dot old will be returned list of old session of record ID of account. Inside the for loop, I will check condition if set of a string contains has closed on, then we will be display an error message. So here I will be check condition if this set of a string. So inside the set of a string, I am storing the stage name. So here I will be check contains set of a string dot contains inside the bracket password close on. Close on, then I will be display error message. So error message display into the account record. So account this ACC1 dot add error inside the bracket. I will be pass the error message. Message will be single quote. You cannot delete the account record if opportunity has closed on. You cannot delete the record if opportunity has closed on. Please contact to admin. So here I am passing the error message. You cannot delete the record if opportunity has closed on. Please contact to admin. Now I am saving the file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the account object tab and try to delete the record. This is a account object. This is a list of the record of account. Let me open one record. Let me open first record. If you go to the down arrow button, you will be get delete option. Now, before delete the record, let me check the related list of opportunity. So go to the related tab. As you can see, there are two related list of opportunity associated to this account. So take W3 wave, that is the first opportunity. Vijay wave 50, this is a second opportunity. So in the first stage name is qualification and second one stage name is closed on. So as per the condition, if any of the related opportunity associated with the account stage name value is closed on, then we do not allow to delete the record of account. Now let me delete the record of account. Delete account. Are you sure you want to delete the account? Yes. Let me click on delete button. Here you can see you cannot delete the record if opportunity has closed on. Please contact to admin. So this message coming from Apex class trigger. So friends, here I am displaying the error message. You cannot delete the record if opportunity has closed on. Please contact to admin. So message coming from Apex class trigger. So whenever I'm trying to delete the record of account, before delete, it is checking if any of the opportunity is associated to the account and stage has closed on, then we do not allow to delete the record. So whenever I'm deleting the record, message coming from Apex class trigger, you cannot delete the record if opportunity has closed on. Please contact to admin. Now open another one record of account. Let me open take W3 Wave 10. Before delete the record, let me check the related tab. Here you can see there one opportunity associated to this account and stage name is prospecting. That means criteria will be not match fulfilled because inside the developer console, before delete the record, I am checking the condition. If contains close load, that means stage name. If a stage name close loss, then we will be display error message. If a stage name don't has closed on, then we are able to delete the record. So here you can see in this account, there are one opportunity, an opportunity stage as prospecting. Now let me delete the record of account. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete the account? Yes. Let me click the delete account. You can see record has been deleted because in this opportunity stage don't have closed on. So in the condition I mentioned if related list of opportunity associated to the account and stage has closed on, in this case we don't allow to delete the record of account. So if I'm trying to delete the record of account, now let me open save record of account, and if you go to the related tab and you can check there are two opportunity and one opportunity has closed on, and I'm trying to delete the record of account. I'm not able to delete because criteria is fulfill match and message is display. You cannot delete the record if opportunity is closed on. Please contact to admin. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting any type of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Wave, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.